Hello.
Hello, bro.
How are you doing?
Moka, how are you doing? Okay, let me share the screen.
Please.
Are you seeing my screen? Okay. Let me see why I can record on this side. There. Is my screen still on?
Yeah, I can see the screen. Gold spot US dollar, right?
Yeah, it's on gold. Are you seeing the screen?
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
today at least we're gonna talk about storyline, and I will see how you can get a way on how to get entries after we understanding storyline, because
Yeah.
when it comes to storyline, we just need to understand the direction. So if you understand the direction, the forex market, then you are good to go. Are you getting? So
Mhm.
with a storyline,
Mhm.
we have the rules that we need to follow when it comes to storyline. The first rule that we need to follow when it comes to storyline, we need to see a fresh level on one of those time frames.
Okay.
Because not every time frame that starts a storyline. The only time frame that we use storyline, they are something like 3,
Mhm.
because we shall be using the monthly, weekly,
Mhm.
then daily
Mhm.
to determine the storyline.
Okay.
Then we shall use H4 and we shall use H4
Mhm.
and H1 for entries or for setups. So the importance of storyline is to determine the direction of the market movement. So we need to understand the storyline in order for us to either know that the market is bullish or bearish. So what do we need for storyline to start? We need a fresh level on one of these higher time frame levels.
Just to make
Then
sure that
after
the
that,
screen, what is the screen you're sharing?
are you seeing gold?
I just see the gold, but not a candlestick chart or something. Yeah, just to there's a watch list.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
The issue is with my recording on this side.
Okay.
Okay, let me share the screen.
Yeah, I think it's a different screen, probably. That's why I got it out. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Mm. Okay, you will share the recording to me.
Yeah, I will share. Yeah,
Okay, now I see that.
screen. Yeah.
Okay, now the
Yeah,
chart
now
is
I can
moving.
see. Yes, all right. Gold spot US dollar 15. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what do we need for the storyline?
Mm.
We only need to see a fresh level on
Mm-hmm.
these time frames. For example, we have this one. Let's say we have this as the weekly.
Mm-hmm.
We have that as the weekly. Let me try to draw. This is a bearish candle.
Mm.
Okay, let me say that's a bullish candle. No, it's a bullish candle. Then we have this bearish candle.
Mhm.
I make this one bullish. Then, meaning this one is a fresh level.
Yeah.
Reason, we have no wick that is rejecting
Mm-hmm.
there. So if it's a fresh level,
Mm.
then that's one step.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's say this one is the weekly.
Okay.
Weekly. Let's say that is the weekly chart. So
Mm.
we have no wick that is rejecting from there.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, we get a wick rejecting this fresh SNR level.
Mm.
Let's say this. Let's say it's rejecting like that.
Mm-hmm.
So these are two steps. One, we had our fresh level.
Yeah.
Two, we had
Rejection.
a rejection. Meaning, we needed to follow the third rule. The third rule, you will always find a breakout one time frame lower. So if we are on the weekly chart, one time frame lower will be the daily. So let's say this is the daily. We said this is the daily. So if it's the daily, then we shall we've got here a breakout. So when we get a breakout, we confirm that our storyline is what? Our storyline is bearish. This is one. First rule, that's one. Then this is two. This is two. And this is three. This is three. So when you have this three, then you are good to go to either look for buys or sells depending on the market conditions. Then for the bearish example, it's the vice versa. For the bearish example, what do we need to see? We need to have, let's say this was a bearish, bearish candle. Then we've got that level. We said this is bearish candle. Then this level is fresh. Reason we have no wick that is rejecting on that level, meaning this one is a weekly support. Then if it's a weekly support,
the fresh one,
it's a fresh. What do we need to see? We need to see a rejection on the same time frame.
Yeah.
Which time frame is this? This one is the weekly time frame. So we need to see the market rejecting this zone. We need to see market rejecting that zone. Then we go one time frame lower for the breakout. If you are not understanding it, I can repeat.
No, I can understand.
Okay, are you getting it?
Well.
Then we say this is the daily. We said this is the daily. Then this was the weekly time frame. Weekly fresh SNR. Then from there, first step, this is the first step, fresh level. Then this one is the second step. No, sorry. This one is the second step, and the one time frame lower must complete a breakout. It's the third step. It's the third step. Then, what do we need next after we understanding the storyline? After we understanding the storyline, then we start looking for entries.
Right.
So when it comes to entries, okay, let's first have examples on storyline on the candlestick chart. Then we shall see how to get entries. Yeah. Let me clear everything. Hope you've understood that.
Yes.
Then I told you that the time frames we use the monthly time frame. Okay, the monthly. When you go to the monthly, let's at least try to see a rejection. Now, for example, here we had this an open close.
Yes.
Then the market rejected on that level. When the market rejected on that level, what do we need to see next? We put our horizontal line and go one time frame lower for the breakout.
Yeah.
Then when you go to the weekly, let's try to see the weekly. What do we see on the weekly? This is where the market touched the level. If the market touched the level from there, let's go to the line chart and see, because we have to use this line chart a lot when it comes to storyline. Meaning we must identify our directions using this line chart. Then we need to see a breakout. Mind you, the breakout must be external, not internal. Meaning the market traded high, then it traded lower. After that, we had here weekly, monthly SNR level. Then the market rejected on it. Then we need to see the high that was created before the rejection. When you try to see, this was the high created before the rejection. Did we get a breakout from there? Are you seeing we got here breakout on the weekly?
Yeah.
Then we confirm that the storyline is bullish.
Okay.
We confirm that also the monthly is bullish. Then when it comes to the weekly, let's try to see example on the weekly. Okay. Are you seeing here that we had a buy candle plus a buy candle? Then this was an open close. Then from there, we got a rejection.
Yeah.
When we got a rejection from there, we go to the daily to confirm a breakout. This is where the market tapped our level.
Yeah.
When you try to go to the line chart, what do you see? We can see that we had here breakout.
Yes.
Are you seeing?
Yeah.
So from there, we confirm that the storyline is bullish.
Bullish.
No need of looking for sales. We confirm that, okay, the weekly is bullish. We've confirmed that the weekly is bullish, the monthly is bullish, then the daily is also bullish. Then if you have all the storylines of those time frames, then you start looking for your setups. How do you look for setups when it comes to SNR? We shall only be looking for setups after we confirming the storyline. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Do you need other examples of breakout?
Well, this is fine. Yeah. We can look at some more example if you want. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's try to see a daily example.
Yeah.
Here, the market rejected for the first time. Then, okay, we can't use that level anymore. Okay. Where do we reject? Okay. Now, from here, you can see the daily rejected daily here.
Yes.
Then we go to H4. On H4, what do we see? The market rejected from here. Then when you go to the line chart, what do you see? We need to see a breakout. This is the breakout.
Yeah.
Then we confirm that, okay, the daily is bullish.
Bullish.
Yeah. We confirm that the daily is bullish. Then we use H4 for entries to look for entry setups. Then after you getting the breakout, then you start looking for entries. For example, here when you try to see, I don't have a replay mode. Let me try to put here an horizontal line. We confirmed, okay, let me say there. If you understand the storyline, let me say here. If you understand the storyline, then it's more easier for you to do what? It's more easier for you to get entries. For example, we all know that the storyline is bullish. Remember, when it comes to SNR, they will tell you that after you confirming your storyline, then you need to use the newly created SNR levels.
Okay.
Is it? Yeah. But for me, in addition to that, instead of me using these levels, newly created SNR levels, what I do, I use the M15 or M30 to look for key levels.
Okay.
Where the market can either reject after the Asian range has been created. Are you getting?
Yeah.
So this is an indicator for Asian range. Then I set it on M30. Yeah. Okay, let's try to see this example which happened on Friday.
Yeah.
On Friday, we all knew that the market was bullish, isn't it?
You mean bullish, right? Bullish.
Yes, it was bullish.
Okay.
So the market opened there. Then when you try to go to H4, the first 4-hour candles, those are the Asian range candles up to here.
Yeah.
That was Asian range. So after me understanding that, okay, the Asian range has been created, and now we need to look for setups in London or New York. What do we always do? We go to M30 and start looking for our entries.
Not M15, no?
This one is M15. No, you can use M15, M30. Okay, let's
Okay.
use M15. Let's
Okay.
use M15. On M15, what do you see after the market rejecting here? You can see that this is when Asian range is finished forming. Then this was London kill zone here, up to what? Three. Okay, this was London kill zone where the market will always give you entries. So what are we going to do next? I use the line chart. You go to the line chart. Now, when you realize on the line chart, what do you see? Are you seeing that the market rejected on this level many times?
Yes.
The market rejected on that level many times. What do you see when you go to the line chart, to the candlestick chart? This level, if they gave you an entry from okay, if they gave you an entry from there, I'm very sure that they took you out. Are you seeing?
Yeah, they took out. Yes,
So,
right.
if they took you out from this level, what do we do? For us, we use that opportunity where you were removed from that level. Then for us, we shall look for entries in this level.
Yeah.
So when we go to the line chart, okay, let's use the candlestick chart. Here, they gave you an entry. The market traded higher. Then we had a pullback. They came and took out all the traders that entered on this level. Then they gave them another opportunity of buying at the same level. Then after there, they came and took them out. Are you seeing?
Yes.
They came and took them out. So this happened during London Open. London kill zone. So after there, what do you see? They created this level on M15. They created this level, meaning this was a support level. Some traders wanted to enter from here. Are you seeing? They wanted to enter from here. Then they took them out. After taking them out, they set their limits that, okay, after they have taken us out, at least the market would sell. Then from there, the market came and still took them out to the buy side. Are you seeing? The market took them out to the buy side. After again the market taking them out, what we do, we shall just wait for the pullback to this level, then we enter.
What is that? Took them out from the buy side? I didn't get that. So can you show me that once more?
Okay. Are you seeing this newly created SNR level?
Yeah.
The
So
market, all traders that wanted to enter, they entered from here for the buys.
Yes, and then they took it out. Yeah.
Then they came and took them out from this level.
Yes. Yeah.
After taking them out from that level, again they wanted to sell from that level. I think because other traders they take this opportunity that, okay, if they take them out from this level, then they will be looking for sales.
Yes. Yeah.
Then from there, again they took them out.
Yes. Okay.
They took them, those that wanted to sell from there, they took them out. Then what we do, we just wait for the pullback to this level, because this level was fresh. We wait for the pullback to this level, then we enter for buys.
Okay.
Are you seeing? Because for us, we know that the storyline is bullish.
Right.
So here, when you try to go to the range chart, what do you do? To the candlestick chart, you set your limit. I always use SL 30 pips.
Okay.
Are you seeing? Then if you entered from there, you go for 100 pips. Still, on this example, on this day, what did they do? We know that the storyline is bullish. If we know that the storyline is bullish, this is our time window that we are going to enter the market. Here. So we go to the line chart and start looking for these SNR key levels. Now, you can see that all these are SNR levels. On the line chart, all these are SNR levels. All these are SNR levels. All these are SNR levels. We had this. But what do you see? We have many levels. What are we going to do if we have many levels?
Yeah.
If you have many, If you have many levels, the best area for you to enter the forex market is the area with an engulfing candle. If you understand the engulfing candle patterns. If you understand the engulfing candle patterns, what are you going to do? If you have all these levels, what are you going to do? You spot your liquidity because you can see that, okay, the market was just trading higher without pullbacks. So what you do, you'll be looking for at least inducement levels where most of the traders are entering the market from. Are you seeing that here they created an engulfing to the buys?
Yeah.
They came and reacted from that level during the Asian range.
Yes.
They bought.
Yeah.
Again, during London Open, they came and reacted on that level.
Yeah.
Meaning, many traders entered at that level. But what level do we have below it?
There's one below. There's
Are you saying that we had that level?
Yeah.
We had that level. Meaning, they are most likely to come and take out these traders that entered from there. Then from there, what they will do, they will look for buy setups. We shall look for buy setups below that level. When you go to the range chart, do we have any SNR key level? This is the last SNR key level that we had. If you had that SNR level, what are you going to do? You can either add some confluences, just like other traders, we can use trend lines. They can use whatever confluence they have. Remember, I told you that your SL has to be 30 pips. Then you can, if you don't have any clear level on M30, no, on M15, you can use M30 for you to get levels. But still on M30, we had no clean SNR level to enter from. Then we use M15. Here on M15, yes, if you entered from here, let's see. 30 pips SL. Are you seeing? If you entered from that level, 30 pips. So then TP 120 pips.
Good. Before,
120 pips. Still, the same thing happens each and every day. You just need to look for these SNL key levels. Just like here, you can see that, okay, they created this level, then they entered from there. After them entering from there, and they gave them a few pips, they came and took them out. After taking them out, what do we have? We had this SNR key level. When you go to the range chart, you see that we had this SNR key level. We had this. We had that, but most of the times we shall use the last two or the extreme levels, because this is gold. It's very volatile. Sometimes it will react from the last level, from the last two levels. I see. Then from there, what we do, you can see we had that level. The market reacted on it. Then from there, what level do we have? Do we have down here? No, we had no SNR level that the market reacted to during this time window, because we are looking for setups during London Open and London Kill Zones.
Yeah. So what is the time frame? London. I mean, this is, maybe you can tell the timing. You're using Trading View on it's London time or set to what?
London time. When you're in UK, okay. Let me give you an example. When you're in UK, London Kill Zone will always start at 2 a.m. up to 5 a.m. No, London session will start at 2 a.m. to 5 a.m.
Or which time?
London time.
Oh, London session opens only at 7 or 8 a.m.
Yeah, it will start from 8, then to end from up to 5.
Okay.
Then if you need, then for the in your time, what I know, you are 1 hour above me. What I know, in your time, it will start from around 10. Yeah, around 10 a.m. in the morning, your time.
So in your time, it starts when? You can tell me your time and then I will convert.
It starts from 9 a.m. in the morning.
9 a.m. to?
Yeah. So for you, it's 10.
Okay. This is the killer zone, no?
Yeah, it's a kill zone.
Okay, okay.
Then the market will be very volatile during that time window.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can see that they took them out from there. Then we were looking for setup during this time window. Then from there, if you entered from here, I think I entered from here. I had this buy trade. I think I have a screenshot. My SL was 30 pips, but I was nearly taken out. Are you seeing? I was nearly taken out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it. TP 120 pips. Are you seeing? Those are theory trades. Then during New York, still you could get another entry setups. Remember, we are using this time frame depending on the storyline, but the market will always still opportunities to sell. Because if you understand how to mark these SNR key levels, because you can see that here the market created another SNR key level. Then they created another SNR key level. We had this SNR key level. We had this. Are you seeing that we had all these levels? Then you just need to wait for the reaction, how the market could react on those levels. Then you look for entry setups. Now you can see that, okay, there are traders that wanted to enter from here. They took them out. They wanted to enter from here. They took them out. After taking them out, they had to set their buy limits from this zone. Then after them setting buy limits, they came and reacted from that level. They sold off. After that, they came and took them out.
Yeah.
After taking them out, then we look for sales. Are you seeing?
Where do we
Meaning
look for?
sometimes
Yeah, sales. Yeah.
you can use this extreme level.
Okay.
So you could have got some sales from there. From there, 120 pips TP.
Okay.
Then SO with 120 pips. Same thing happens each and every day. Bro.
Yep.
I'm running out of time. I had some important meeting in the
Okay.
evening.
No problem.
Just remember something like 5 minutes.
Okay.
That's why I was even late. I just told these people, let me run.
Yeah, we can.
So we can end this session. Then tomorrow we shall have a session.
No problem. Okay. Fine.
Tomorrow in the morning.
No, tomorrow I'm working, so not in the morning. Same time in the evening.
Okay. Okay, evening time. Okay.
Yeah. So we'll touch base with each other. So I will.
Yeah, you
send you the recording.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. Have a nice one. Yeah. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. See you.
Yeah. Bye.
Just one question. So apart from gold, you also trade Bitcoin and GBP, USD, JPY, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I trade GBP, JPY. Then sometimes I trade Bitcoin, but I hardly take long without trading Bitcoin because the way it behaves. Sometimes you can get set up, then it just consolidates.
So, but you find regular trades in either of the sessions, either through gold or through GBP, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I can do them, but sometimes you need to focus on either 2 to 3 players only.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Great. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bro.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.